Education is evolving rapidly, and the debate between traditional present-day schools and future computer-based learnings are more relevant than ever.
While some argue that nothing can replace human connections and hands-on experiences of physical schools, and others believe that technology is the key to personalized, accessible, and innovative education. Good afternoon, one and all.
Let us introduce ourselves to you.
She is Sufia.
And she is Ruxana.
We are from 9th standard in Citizen English Medium High School.
We are going to perform a debate. In this debate, we will explore both perspectives. Group 1 defends traditional present-day schools.
Group 2 advocates the future computer schools while highlighting the advantages of AI-driven lessons, virtual reality, and social connectivity.
Is the future of education, or will the classic classroom have a place?
Let's dive into the discussions and weigh the benefits of both systems. We believe traditional schools are better because they provide real human interaction, discipline, and hands-on learning. Students develop social skills, teamwork, and emotional intelligence by interacting with teachers and classmates. Physical activities, lab experiments, and face-to-face discussions cannot be replaced by machines.
How can you say that traditional schools are better than futuristic schools? We argue that future computer-based schooling will be more efficient, personalized, and accessible. AI tutors can adapt to each student's learning speed. VR can create immersive learning experiences, and online schooling can reach remote areas. Technology reduces cost and make education flexible to everyone.
But in present school, teachers understand emotions and motivate the students. Can a computer console a sad student or inspiring creativity like a human?
Yes, whatever you have said is correct, but AI can analyze a student's weaknesses in stats and customize lessons. VR simulate study events, space travel, something textbooks can't do.
We know our school teaches discipline through routine assemblies and group projects. Friendship and teamwork are our essential for our life.
While online platforms have discussions forums, virtual group projects, and global classrooms, students can collaborate not just locally. It is possible in the traditional schools.
In modern computer schools, not every student has a high-speed internet connection or a computer. Many rural areas still lack it access. Is it correct?
Yes, but future technology will be cheaper and more widespread. Digital schools emulate infrastructures such lighting, light building, and buses.
In front of screens harms eyesight and physical health. Schools have sports, art, and lab work, right? But learning schedules can be adjusted based on individual students' need, correct?
Technology helps. Human touching education is irreplaceable. School, shapes, characters are not just a knowledge. A computer can be replaced by a teacher, encouragement, a friend support.
I agree with the group A, but the future is digital. Computer schooling offers unlimited knowledge, personalization, and global opportunities. Why limit learning to 4 walls when whole world can be a classroom?
Okay, my friend, I agree, but is staying strong emphasis on socialization, discipline, and teacher expertise.
The model school, futuristic school, it personalized learning experiences, access to vast online resources, and adaptable learning spaces.
Present schools are characterized by human teachers, physical classrooms, and a focus on social interaction.
Okay, I agree with your line, but the future schools also in the contrast utilize mechanical teachers, individualized online learning.
How can you say that school schedules are practically rigid with designated times, classes for activities?
Also can include AI-based sports and all guided experiments, plus no building or unsafe schools environment.
Hey, listen my friend. Students primarily learn from textbook, notebooks, and other physical learning resources.
Okay, but the future schools rely heavily on digital learning material like telebooks and online resources. With these, we no need to carry a lot of books every day with us.
The students can physically attend a designated school building, engaging in face-to-face interactions with teachers, playing breaks. So we can say that traditional schools are best regarding from modern computer schools.
Students can learn comfort from their homes and virtual classrooms and online resources according to the comfort of their homes. So, the futuristic schools are the best.
Okay, let's end this here. By looking at these both groups, they are going to debate till evening.
So now we will continue with conclusion. Both systems have pros and cons. Maybe the best future is brain where technology supports teachers and not replace them. Both present and futuristic schools have their strengths and weakness.
While future schools prioritize technology, individual studying skills, the best school is the one that supports students' individual studying style and future goals.
Which side do you support?